Welcome to Parweld TV. Today we're looking at TIG gloves, the range of Parweld TIG gloves, all manufactured to high quality levels, just different features and benefits as you go through the range. So we're going to just review the selection of gloves, starting with the P3830. This is our best value glove in terms of price performance. It's got a goatskin front to it and a goatskin cuff, long cuff. Fairly straightforward glove, fairly close fitting, and gives you a reasonable sort of dexterity when wearing the glove. Moving on to the 3835, in comparison, you start to see some additional features coming into the 3835. Still got the goatskin hand, but we get this reinforcement around the thumb area, which typically is where you're going to be holding the TIG torch, so that increases the lifetime of the glove. And also another wear patch here just on the wrist, where that's typically where you may be resting your hand against the workpiece. So compared with the 3830, you get some additional features on the 3835, which extend the life of the glove compared with the other one. Moving on to the Panther 3838. Again, we've got a wear patch here, we've got the vein patch, and we've also got reinforcement on the side. Again, this is another area when you're wearing the glove, typically you may be resting your hand and running along the job. So that as another feature that will increase the lifetime of the glove. Slightly heavier leather in the fingers, still close fitting, but you'd expect this glove to last longer because of the reinforcements and the slightly heavier leather. You'll get an increased lifetime out of this product. Also in the Panther range, we have a 3837 deerskin glove. Got all the same features as the previous one, but it's made from deerskin, which is a much more supple leather. Gives you a bit more flexibility than you get with the goatskin, so and has a little bit more stretch and give in it, so you can get a nice close fitting glove that it's very easy to handle your filler wire and that sort of thing when wearing this glove. Then moving on to the Panther Pro 3839. Big difference with this glove is we've got a split leather, cowskin leather on the back, goatskin on the inside. We've got the reinforcement patch around the thumb, on the side of the hand, and on the vein patch. Also got a reinforced thumbs. The heavier leather on the outside has the advantage if I'm resting this hand on the job, I'm maybe picking up reflected heat, so that gives additional heat protection on the outside, but I've still got the sort of dexterity on the inside if I'm handling the torch or filler wire in this hand. And then finally in the range, we've got the Panther Black TIG glove. This is a short glove. It's designed to be close fitting, so a really nice snug fit on your hand. We've got some reinforcement on the palm, very nice sort of dexterity, good dexterity. Split cow leather on the back with an additional patch on the knuckles, so you get that heat protection on the back, but really good sort of dexterity and flexibility. Obviously it's a short cuff, so you will need to make sure you've got arm protection right down to the edge of the glove, but that's a really good glove for light work when you want a good amount of flexibility, and it's quick and easy to put on and off. In addition to the gloves, we also have these TIG fingers, the standard one and the large one, and I'll just demonstrate what you can do with the TIG finger. The idea of the TIG finger is it gives you a little bit of heat protection additional heat protection. If I use the large one there, I can put that on 2 fingers. So that allows me to rest my hand on the job and move along the job. So I've got a steadying hand, but I've got that additional heat protection. So you can slip it on your fingers, you can fold it as a pad, and simply just move it as a pad. So many different ways you can use that. The smaller one effectively will fit onto a single digit, as opposed to the larger one where you can slip onto 2 digits. So you can use these TIG fingers with any of the gloves to give you that additional sort of heat protection in use. So that's just a quick overview of the range of TIG gloves Parweld's got on offer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and any of our social media feeds to get more up-to-date information on new products as we release them. Thanks for watching.